Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to add solar lights on top of your aluminum fence rails. A lot of my neighbors and even the fence company guy who put this fence told this particular cap looks cool. So I thought, why don't we post this in YouTube so that others can make use of it. I barely spent $20 to put all these caps. These existing caps are easily removable, so I just replace that with this landscaping lights. I bought this from Walmart. It's 6 lights is for $16. So these bottom pieces are useless for you. Just put a adhesive glue on the bottom and put it on the top of the fence where you remove the cap. That's it. You all set. Thank you.